Couple of examples here, and remember to divide the powers with the same base, got to have same base, you subtract their exponents. So here's an example with numbers, 6 to the 7th over 6 squared. We're going to subtract those exponents, so we're going to do 7 minus 2, and that's going to make a 5. So 6 to the 5th would be the answer to this example here. Now in algebra, it's super generic, right? We know that it works for 6 to the 7th and 6 squared, but for algebra, we're using for any value, okay? So that's why the answers for the algebra section of these blanks here, it's going to look a little bit different, right? So again, we don't know what m is. We don't know what n is. We know they have the same base. If we did know their values, we would subtract them and put that in the exponent. So that's what this is saying here, algebraically, and not using words. So now we have b to the 53rd over b to the 42nd power. Well, that's going to make b to the, how do we find that one? Well, we're going to end up subtracting the exponent. So we're doing 53 minus 42, and that's going to make 11.